The Federal and Francis Xavier Engineering College jointly present the Nellai Marathon 2024. This event is powered by Little Flower Public School and NIMS Hospital, Tirunelveli. Run for Health on Sunday, December 29. Entry is free and all are welcome.
The 129th Constitutional Amendment Bill to implement One Nation, One Election was tabled by Union Law and Justice Minister Arjun Ram Mehwal on December 17.
The Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 further to amend the Constitution of India wish to move for leave to introduce the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2024, further to amend the Government of Union Territories Act 1963, the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 1991, and the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. ये मैं आपकी अनुमति से आपसे लीव मांग रहा हूँ. Thank you, sir.
Opposition leaders including Congress MPs Manish Tiwari and Shashi Tharoor, AIMIM, DMK and Samajwadi Party leaders opposed its introduction in the House, claiming that it was beyond the legislative competence of the House.
I rise to oppose the introduction of the Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2024. Mr. Speaker, sir, beyond the 7th schedule of the Constitution is the basic structure doctrine. And that basic structure doctrine spells out that there are certain features of the Indian Constitution which are beyond the amending power of this House also. One of the essential features is federalism and the structure of our democracy. And therefore, the bills which have been moved by the Honorable Minister of Law and Justice absolutely assault the basic structure of the Constitution and are beyond the legislative competence of this House, and therefore they need to be opposed ab initio, and the introduction of those bills have to be stopped.
Many, it's a violation of the federal structure of the Constitution. Why should state governments fall if the central government falls? Why should the timetable of one, which has enjoyed the mandate of the public, suddenly be truncated because of the timetable of another? It makes no sense.
People choose state governments for 5 years. I don't think you can take that right away from the people and give it to the Election Commission to decide how many years a government can last or not. So this is completely against the states, it's against the federalism, and it is against the Constitution, because federalism is the federal structure of the of this country is in the Constitution.
देखिए, वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन बिल पे पूरे संसद को, विपक्ष को एक साथ होना चाहिए. इसलिए एक साथ होनी चाहिए कि ये कोई नई बिल नहीं आ रहा है. 1967 तक जब हम वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन में ही चल रहे थे, कांग्रेस ने कसम खा लिया है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के हर पहल को हम विरोध करेंगे.
Violates the right to democratic self-government, which is part of Article 1419. And if a legislative assembly is dissolved, sir, and midterm elections are conducted, the tenure of that assembly will not be for 5 years, sir. This in itself is a violation of parliamentary democracy, which envisages a tenured legislature. Sir, constitutional scheme makes it clear that once elections are conducted, the House should have a right to function for next 5 years. This is a violation of basic structure. That such a provision is being done for administrative convenience, not for constitutional purpose. Sir, the principle of federalism means that states are not mere appendages of the center. States are not dependent on the union for their existence. This is the violation of federalism, sir. Sir, in conclusion, Parliament is not competent to make any law that violates fundamental rights or the basis of the Constitution, sir. This bill indirectly introduced a presidential style of democracy. This bill is based on maximizing political gain and convenience. This bill will finish off regional parties. This bill is only brought in to massage the ego of the Supreme Leader. Thank you, sir. I oppose this bill.
Amid opposition from the Congress, the bill found support from the BJP allies like the TDP and the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena. However, the House witnessed an electronic division of votes over the introduction of the bill. With 269 ayes and 198 noes, the House ruled in favor of the introduction of the bill.
सुधार का विधेयक संवैधानिक संशोधन जब कैबिनेट में चर्चा में आया तब प्रधानमंत्री जी ने स्वयं मनसा व्यक्त करी थी कि इसको जेपीसी को देना चाहिए। इस पर विस्तृत चर्चा सभी स्तर पर होनी चाहिए।
Now, the bill will be sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee for further discussion.
The Federal and Francis Xavier Engineering College jointly present the NLA Marathon 2024. This event is powered by Little Flower Public School and NIMS Hospital, Tirunelveli. Run for Health on Sunday, December 29. Entry is free and all are welcome.